In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change section tab color. Color coding your section tabs is a simple way to make your workspace more organized and easier to scan at a glance. Whether you're separating work from personal notes, highlighting priorities, or just making things more readable, a quick color change can save you time every day. Here's how to do it in the simplest way possible. First, right-click the section tab you want to change. The section tab is the small labeled area you use to switch between sections, usually found along the side or the top of your workspace. Make sure you're clicking directly on the tab itself, not the page list or the main canvas. When I say right-click, I'm referring to the secondary click. On a mouse, that's the right button. On a trackpad, it's typically a two-finger click or pressing the lower right area depending on your settings. If nothing happens, try moving the pointer slightly so it's firmly on the tab title and right-click again. After you right-click the section tab, a context menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Section Color. This is the command dedicated to changing the visual color of that specific tab. If you don't immediately see it, scan the menu carefully. It's usually near other appearance or organization options. The key is that you're accessing it from the tab itself, which tells the app exactly which section you want to modify. Next, select a color. When you choose section color, you'll see a palette or list of colors. Click the one that matches the look you want. The change should apply instantly, so you can immediately judge whether it stands out enough and complements your layout. If you're building a system, consider using consistent meanings, like red for urgent, blue for reference, green for planning, so your eyes learn the code over time. Also think about contrast. A color that looks great might still be hard to read if the tab's text blends into it. If your interface supports light and dark modes, glance at both to ensure the tab remains legible. That's it. You've changed the section tab color using the fastest, most reliable route. Right-click the section tab, choose section color, then pick your color. You can repeat this anytime to update your visual system as your projects evolve. A few intentional color choices can make navigation smoother, reduce decision fatigue, and help you spot what you need in seconds. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized, color-coded sections.